Hey guys, how are you? Hey guys, I have a difficult client to serve, but I can't refuse one. My wife, she wants a speaker for her cell phone. I've been stalling, it's been a while, and now there's no way. Tell me if you're like that too. Are you the kind of person who can't refuse requests from people at home but ends up stalling a bit? Let me know in the comments if you're like that, or if you're the kind of person who runs and does it. Let me know in the comments. That's it. So here's the deal. I'm going to make 2 speakers. I'm going to take advantage and make 2. I want to make one for myself too, but I want to make 2 anyway. In 2 different ways. First, do you think the cell phone speaker works? Do you think it really amplifies the sound? We're going to take advantage of this and do it in 2 ways. We're going to do one with 1 output and the other with 2 outputs. Do you think this makes a difference? Leave a comment too. Do you think it works or doesn't work? And if 1 output or 2 outputs work, I know that other factors will interfere. Like, for example, the type of wood that is being used, the shape. In short, a series of things can interfere. But anyway, we're going to move on. And I want to take advantage of to invite you to go to the end of the video. No, go there. Watch the video. Go there at the end. I'll show you the result of this. We're doing the measurement here. Use a decibel meter, and I wanted to invite you. Club Dama Scenario is my free group on WhatsApp. The link is below in the description. Come to the club where we give out lots of tips. There are always special audios, invitations to classes. Just the other day, we invited you to a really cool class there on Google Meet. Via Google Meet, the camera opened, we had a great chat. That's it. Okay, and if you were at the club and didn't see the call that day, look, you have to pay more attention. The messages we send there. Okay? So, run to the woodworking club that's here and we're going to do it. There's also a Super Black Friday discount. So, it's coming. We're going to rock the market. That's it. Run to the club. Big hug. Let's go to the video. If you are observant, you must have noticed that Lucas is passing the wood through the thicknessing away, crossing the direction of the wood grain. And I'll tell you something. This is only possible because we are using the shared axis in this thicknessing. So, since they are small tablets that are in a spiral shape, along the axis they stick to the wood little by little, so it doesn't pull out as many splinters, just a little on the way out. But if you have a normal thicknessing, I don't recommend you do this. The normal knife sticks into the wood only once and can end very badly. In the gluing process, it should be clear what we designed here. So you are using IP at the bottom and top. And vinhatico in the center. This yellowish wood is vinhatico, which is a wood. Very traditional for making boats, vessels in general. Not because it is so resistant to humidity, but because it is a light wood, so it was. Used mainly here in Espirito Santo, was the #1 wood. In terms of building boats and vessels for Rio in general. Well, now to actually make the exit, the acoustic part, the amplification part. Look, we're going to use broker force. These ones, by the way, I have them for sale at the Abano store. I'll leave the link below in the description. So look, this one here. I don't remember very well if this one is. Anyway, we're going to do it. Reducing the diameter. I'm going to have to use others that I have here. Another kit that I have here too. We're going to do it by reducing the diameter and going down for each diameter around. About 7 millimeters more or less. Yes. Every 5 to 7 millimeters, that's fine. Then every 5 to 7 millimeters we change. For our smaller one, start with the big one and go to the smallest one, which I don't know how far it goes. Did you do it? So that's it. Now it's time to take all this here too. Bench drill and start the process. So, well, in this finishing part, I decided to do a test with 2 different materials. A wax. My wax is born a wax. And an oil, too. And the idea is to evaluate what? Got better? Got different? Anyway, final result. And I'll bring that to you in the next video. But leave in the comments what you would have put on this piece.
Right now, we're here. I'm